In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up contact forms so that users can contact you and your business from the website or when they're logged out. So what I'm going to do is navigate over to our website by clicking on View Your Website on the top left-hand side. And I'm going to add a little contact form section. So I'm just going to add a block over here. And it's going to be an empty block. And I'm just going to delete that. And I'm going to add a contact form. So here we have our contact form module, and then you can click in here, you can customize this as much as you want, but I'm just going to leave this as is. If you want to learn how to customize modules on the page builder, then please do go and check out the page designer playlist. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and publish these changes. So now we need to set up an email notification so that when a user submits a contact form, because generally users who are submitting contact forms are logged out, they're not registered users submitting help desk tickets. This user then needs a way to access that help desk ticket themselves so that they can correspond with you. So what we're going to do is navigate over to, well, we're going to exit out of our page designer first, and then we're going to come here to our messenger. We're then going to come to notifications, and we're going to create a new notification. And this is going to be our contact form notification. All right, it's going to be an email, and then we will select our category. And so this is going to be tickets. And this is going to be a new ticket submitted, and we're going to hit save. All right, I'm then going to start customizing this message. So let's just add in our sender details, and there we go. And then I'm going to say your contact form has been received. And then I'm going to select my template, which is going to go with the good old basic one. And I do want to go ahead and add a merge tag. So I'm going to come here to my merge tags, and I'm going to come to special links, and it's going to be the ticket link. So this ticket link is then going to be sent to my users who've submitted their contact form. They'll be able to click on that, and it will take them to the ticket that they have submitted, and they'll be able to correspond with us there. All right, so then I'm going to go ahead and hit next, and you could then go ahead and add a filter to this, but I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to hit next and then confirm this notification. Hit confirm. And now when someone submits a help desk to the system, well, when someone submits a contact form to the system, they will receive this notification and they'll be able to access that link. So from the user's perspective, let me quickly show you what that's like. You can scroll down here to the contact form. We'll just say this is Betty, and it's betty@demo.com. And she'll say, help, please help me with this thing. And then she can go ahead and send that message. We'll get a message that says your message has been received. That email is going to pop off to Betty's inbox so that she can access the chat with us. We can say, okay, when I navigate back to the admin area and I come back to my help desk over here and I need to view all tiers, I can see that that help desk ticket has been submitted. So that is how you can set up those contact forms in the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your help desk guidelines. I'll see you there.